Get it. Welcome to Wake's vlog with Wake and Gore right now. We've got their team out today with us. Ed's wearing a t-shirt right now. Look at that. We're doing a cook-off with Wake and Grill's new grills in the back of our boats. We're going to use them for our full-day charters. We were originally all the way down there by Pine Key, but we got rained out, so we're going to reset, and we're trying it again down here right now. Max is already annoying me. Look at him.
I'm one of the judges, Mark.
He's a judge, supposedly, and he's fired. And we have fish, pork chops, corn, hot dogs, potatoes too, and we're going to cook this motherfucker right here. And look at that setup already. I love this. Prive, watch out, we have a better grill than you know. We got some traffic going on right now. What the f is this? Alright, we are setting up. Ed's about to cook on our first grill right here on the T250 on its inaugural trip. Willow's already taken a Wake and Grill top. Oh yeah, has his one, but he hasn't even cooked yet. Tom's tanning, floating. Ziz is pooping. We got the other boat over there getting set up right now. Stag's drunk, I think.
Y'all know what it is. We back again. Take two.
Maxiano!
We grilling, man. Wake and Grill. Wake and Grill, boy.
Maxiano!
Hey, yo. You know how we getting down. I's the judge. I tasting.
All right.
You know I gotta taste that.
Hey, the boss himself, bro.
What's up?
Shout out to your grill, man. What's your company called?
Wake and Grill.
Wake and Grill, bro. So this is what we call a Wake and Grill, guys. So if you're out here in Turks and Caicos and you want a grill that can sit on the back of your grill and grill, guys.
We got it. We got it.
Oh yeah, and where it coming
Make
from?
sure.
Wake and Grill, the man himself.
They ain't know you know Stack. I get everything prepared. They ain't doing nothing.
This is how your grill looks when it's fully set up, connected on your boat. How you going?
This ain't short guy with the long hair.
Yeah, he got muscles and he's short.
Man, I work out. I work out. Look at that. Branded, bro. Look at that.
Yeah, you can't even see it, bro. It's so black.
Ah, yeah. Hey. Amaru.
Alright.
Oh my goodness. These are mine. They taste so good.
Of course you would say that. So everyone has their plates ready. So these are the prizes we have right here. We have some Wake and Grill t-shirts. We have a Wake and Grill hat modeled by Condom Tom. Now Luke does a better job. This is what you could win.
Perfectly fitted to cover up your bald spot.
Nice, nice. Tom needs 4.
Finishing, they used the only guy that got one of my pork chop and one of Lavish pork chop.
Okay, alright, feed it to him. Tom's gonna be the first judge right here. That's Lavish's pork chop. Out of 10, what'd you give it?
8.5.
8? Whoa.
That's
Stag's
big,
one
bro. That's
now.
big.
This stag's yours now, right?
Yeah, that's me. That's me, though.
I'll that one
Like a
sec.
blind test.
You got me, Tom. Don't worry about stag ones. That raw.
It has to go edge.
Ed win?
Gotta go edge.
Ed got the first vote!
You have to cook the food. You see all of that?
Ed got the first vote. Okay, try it out.
My
And then
wings.
give us a rating out of 10.
Oh,
4, eh?
Look at Sadie. Sadie enjoy that boy.
6, 5, 4.
I'm gonna go 7.
7.
Yeah, that's nice, man. That's a lot.
Don't forget, he is your captain. He will get you home.
I know. That's what, I almost did 7.5.
Try a potato. Let's see what you get.
Okay.
He's not required to get you home, so you can give him a shoot.
6.5.
Who did the wings?
I did the wings.
I did the
So
drumstick.
you basically did her whole plate.
Yeah.
So you couldn't really lose. This,
He did his
Okay, that's 1-1. Stag got 1, Ed got 1. We'll win.
Alright, check
Okay,
his
nice.
Play-Doh.
So wait, that's Stag's pork chop right
That's
there.
Lavish. Lavish pork
Okay,
chop.
okay.
Lavish
let's-
pork chop?
okay.
Yeah.
I like to look the chef in the eye when I take a bite.
Yeah, do it. And this is the main guy as well. Don't forget this, right? So
This is who I
This
was
is worth
cooking
2
for.
votes, I think. Actually, I think this
I
is
agree,
worth.
I
I think
agree.
this is worth 2.
Yeah. I gotta test the other one.
Okay,
I have to know
okay.
the
No, but
scale.
you gotta judge him off his own things.
I got the number in my head.
Okay, okay.
Give that one a 9.
Yeah. I can hold that 9 for sure. Yes, sir.
No, he's going for another bite of the same pork chop.
Second bite.
Double
That's an
check.
18. He got an 18.
Texture and capture.
What?
That's how I capture him.
Nice.
Texture and capture. It's a lot of ice and spice and everything nice. If I tell you the recipe, you won't come back twice.
You have to look him in the eyes.
Hold on, before
Look
you
him in
do
the
bite,
eyes.
right?
Look him in the eyes. Look him in the eyes.
Before he does bite, right? Notice I
It's
did not
barbecue
have
on the hand.
to smear more barbecue over my meat. What the hell?
That was a little sus. Hey. Oh, he
All
doesn't
you
look
tasting
happy.
right
He
now is
doesn't look
barbecue
happy. I can
sauce.
see the sadness in his
That's all
eyes.
you tasting right now. Barbecue sauce smeared over meat.
I'm going for the flavor. I'm going for the other end. I give that one an 8.9 and this one a 9.
Oh, all right. So that is 4. No, 3-1 right now.
You know when you
3-1.
make
Potato and corn. Okay.
Corn. 100%, 10 out of 10.
Does that get him 2 points, or do you think I should get him 1 point?
I think it gets him 2 because
2
everyone's.
points, so we're back to 3-3.
All right, we got the last contest.
Okay.
Wow.
This is it. It's drawing right now. It's all on you. Who's this?
That's Lavish.
Lavish. This is Lavish Pork Chop right
You
here.
can skip the bird beat.
9.
9. Oh, Stag. You getting scared? You getting scared?
I never scared, man.
8.6.
Oh, so we have a winner!
Come on, bro. This is me. I don't even cook for myself, bro. The truth is, I'm a Haitian, bro.
There is not.
It's in my blood.
And that is the end of the story. Sadie, you vlogging?
I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
That's a wrap on the Wake to Wake and Grill collab trip. We had an awesome time with them. Make sure to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We're going to put the link for Wake and Grill if you want to get one of those grills. If you catch the cork,
you get a free grill.
Get it. No way!
Thank you so much.
That was a good day.
Wake, TC. Thank you so much for the hospitality.
That's a wrap for Wake to Wake. Aye.